Hello everyone, my name is Hilary Chin. Today I want to show you how to connect your Tableau to your Google Drive. This is a good practice because many times when we design documents, especially in a Google system, especially with Google Sheet, it automatically saves in our Google Drives. Okay, so that is why Tableau thought it wise to create this option for you to be able to pass through Tableau and connect to your Google Drive. But first of all, let me show you what I have in my Google Drive here. In my Google Drive here, you can see that I have different documents. I have the agriculture for Bamenda. This is the project I created, connecting my Kubo toolbox with my Google Sheet, and then those data as respondents were acting on the form, the data was coming into my Google Sheet. So I'll be coming here to connect this with my Tableau. Let's just go in and see how this works. Okay. Make sure that before you do this process you have a Gmail account. So I'll just come here. Of course, Tableau has different options here for us to bring in data. It has Excel, it has text file, etc., etc. But we want to focus on Google Drive. So we come to more, we come to this option, we click, and then it gives us these different options. You have all data, you have web connector. These are other options that we'll be looking at other videos, but today we want to go to Google Drive. So we click Google Drive, we double click here. So when we click it brings us here. Like I said, it says choose an account to continue to Tableau. Okay, like I said, you need to have a Gmail account. So I'll use my newsemo12@gmail.com. so I'll click here now to go into my Google Drive. Remember that Google has different products. One of their product is the drive, the Google Drive. So you see here now that it says this will allow Tableau to see and download all your Google Drive files. Okay, and then I'll come here now, and then I'll just click allow, and then we'll give it some time. What we are going to see later on, it will say Tableau created this window to authenticate, and it is now safe to close it. Okay, you can now close this browser altogether. And once you close, you see it begins to boot. Wow, we are right here. This is how simple it is. So if you look at my Google Drive, these are all the documents that I found in my Google Drive. Previously, when we showed you, there were some other documents that we saw here. We saw the Bamenda, I think the Bamenda agriculture. We saw it. Let's look for it here. It's right here. It's right here. Let's just take our time. So right here, we want to look for that file Bamenda agriculture. We'll just click here and we will look for it. Bamenda, it was all in capital letters. Bamenda agriculture, I think. And we click enter. So we want to look for this particular document here, so we can connect. So now we are choosing, we want to select a particular document to choose to connect with, to choose to allow it to get into Power BI. Okay, so this is it, agriculture Bamenda. We are going to click this. Okay, we have chosen this. Okay, and when we click this, we'll come under here. You see there's a small option here, it says connect, and then we connect. You see, and then it's taking its time. It says executing query, so we'll give it some. Whoa, we are right here. We are right here. You see, these are the different data sets. So right here we have just one table that we chose. You see, you can see all the names. We were asking some key questions from respondents. One of those questions was, has the price of food, let me see, has the price of food crops been fluctuating in the community market recently? So some people said yes, some people said no. You see, so this questionnaire was quite long. It was so long, which we sent out. Is just an example. I want to show you using this table, using Tableau, sorry. So right here, these are the different data. So we can begin to manipulate this data, maybe change the name of the sheet. Right here, it just says sheet 1. We can rename it from here, and then we say Bamenda agriculture, as we got the sheet from Google Drive. And then here now again we can see, say here it came, we get at the data source. That's something I want you to know. So we have updated already. Here we are on the data source, so we have sheets. Okay, so here we have sheets. Here also we have new sheets, and we can create new sheets. Here also we have new dashboard. Here also we have new stories. So with Tableau you have sheets, dashboards, and stories. But of course I just want to come to this sheet and I show you something. I've already clicked on this sheet. I want to just show you how the whole data looks like. You right here, this is where we are. You have all the data set here, you have all of them here. So play with my mouse here, I can just click out of it, and then each time you click it responds. And then we can also it says, yeah, I can also play with my mouse here. I can come to this small icon and I click, you see, and it opens up and really shows us the data. I can still play with my mouse here, somewhat play with my mouse here like this, and then I click down and I open up. You see, it shows the data all right here. So these are the data that we have brought in from our Google Drive. They are all here. We can begin to create, we can decide to start creating visualizations. And here again, hello everyone, this is all we had for you in terms of connecting your Google Drive with Tableau. We look forward to bringing you different videos. Please stay put, stay tuned, and begin to follow us as we learn data analysis and how to visualize data to bring out insights. Thank you so much. It's fun to always connect these tools and work with. Thank you so much.